Hello everyone, this is Sifat Ahmed. In today's class, we learn about condition. Using if-else, we run a code and we know about the condition. For a code, a condition is very important. So let's start today class. Our class topic is condition. First, we take a variable. Let's take is. I use int for integer data type. Then I use input for take input. Then enter your age, input, enter your age. Then we compare is if is less than 80, then you are minor, and we use another condition which is else, and if else you are adult. Let's run the code. I enter my age 23. That's the output. You are an adult. If I enter my age is 70, then the output is minus. That's all for today. See you in the next class.